Hello from the Quail Kingdom. So, I have no idea what's happening over there with our Clucky quail, but I think it doesn't look good. So it's already 3 weeks since she is there. She's getting everyday food, fresh food and fresh water, but I don't see any little ones. I had a little sneak peek there, and I have seen some empty shells, but no babies. So it's already, a few more days and nothing is happening really. So I'm opening it. We will have a look what's happening there. But yeah, I don't think it's any good. So let's have a look. Since yesterday she also doesn't want to sit anymore, so it's no point to keep her in there, and I really want to see what is happening. So what's going on, girl? So she's gone. He's gone. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So that is really very, very strange. Very strange. There is no eggs. So really, not a single shell. And she had like at least 16 eggs in here. So tell me what it is. She wasn't hungry for sure, because she got plenty of food all the time. You can still see some grain. I am actually now searching for some holes, because I'm now thinking maybe there was maybe somewhere mice that came in or something. Yeah, this egg was outside the cage. Wow. Okay. So the only explanation to me is that she has eaten all the eggs and all the little ones, because I have seen for sure a couple of shells that were open. No holes, so there was no mice. Wow. So I'm really speechless what happened. So no holes for mice. I was thinking maybe mice made a channel or something. Nothing there. Not a little scramble of egg. So no eggs, no little ones, nothing. Was she like really bad mom and has eaten all of them, including the shells? So really, I have no idea what happened, and I cannot understand this. It doesn't make any sense. Like, why would she eat her own kids? So really, no idea what happened. If you have any idea, but there is only one explanation, I guess. When there is nothing there, just a quail. So, well, bad luck this time. We had last summer, we had one quail was sitting on nest 2, but we didn't exclude her, so the others could get in, but she was really protecting her nest. But when the first 2 hatched, she like went off the nest, and we had to put them into incubator, but she didn't eat any of them. So really like, oh, I feel really sorry for it, but well, what can you do? Maybe next time we have more luck, I will see if another girl is wanting to sit, so I will let her, and I will definitely try again. So I am the last one to give up. And I will keep you updated for sure. Okay, leave a comment below, let me know what you think, what else could have happened, and yeah, hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. Now collecting the eggs, because I have plenty of eggs again, but not really like a nest. This could be it, but I doubt so. I will see. Maybe I leave this place as it is until tomorrow and see, and we'll collect the other eggs. Plenty of eggs at the moment.